Hey y'all, I'm Amy Morgan. I'm the marketing coordinator for Pediatric, Dental Associates, and Orthodontics. And today we're going to continue on our theme with National Children's Dental Health Month. Being that it's National Children's Dental Health Month, we thought it would be really fun to give you some facts about your children's teeth. And some of these may even surprise you. Our first fact is actually more of a recommendation. We want to make sure that you know that you should be replacing all of your family's toothbrushes every 3 months. Toothbrushes do start to break down. A lot of times, children will put a lot of pressure when they're brushing, and their brush bristles will actually start to flatten out. You want to make sure that you are always replacing these toothbrushes every 3 months to make sure that the bristles are still standing where they need to so that they can get the proper brushing technique done while the brush is being used in their mouth. Another thing that you need to make sure you're doing, especially right now, is making sure that if anyone in the household is sick and you keep your toothbrushes in a shared space, that you are throwing those away and replacing those with new ones anytime there is a contagious illness inside of your home. When it comes to electric toothbrushes, you always want to try to make sure that you have the electric brush that has the replaceable heads on them. You want to make sure you are replacing those heads as well every 3 months or when someone gets sick. If your child is using an electric brush that does not have a replaceable head, you will need to get rid of the entire toothbrush and replace it. Another interesting fact is that saliva can actually help prevent cavities. Your child produces on average a quart of saliva every day. Now that may sound gross, but this saliva actually helps to neutralize acids that can cause cavities, and it also helps to keep their mouth clean. Another way that you can make sure that your child is producing the right amount of saliva is to make sure that they stay hydrated. And we always recommend staying hydrated with water. Another interesting fact is that cavities are the most common childhood disease. These are more common than even asthma and allergies. The good news is that most of these cavities are preventable. And you can do this by making sure that your child is brushing twice a day, flossing, eating healthy foods, and visiting their dentist. Our next fact is letting you know that baby teeth actually play a very large role in future smiles. A lot of parents believe that baby teeth don't matter because they're going to fall out anyway. But we want you to know that it is very important for children to hold on to their baby teeth as long as possible because this actually can affect their permanent teeth. Any cavities that are developed on baby teeth that go untreated can also possibly cause damage to the permanent teeth as they are forming and coming in beneath the baby teeth. Losing baby teeth early due to severe decay can actually cause space loss. This can cause the permanent teeth to not have the proper room to come in. And lastly, we want you to know that every child's smile is as unique as their fingerprints. Just as no one has the same fingerprints as another, your child's teeth are completely different than every other child. Everyone has their own distinct smile, and this is why it is important for you to have personalized care. At PDAO, regular checkups allow us to follow your child's unique dental development and catch any concerns early. Taking care of your child's teeth isn't just important, it actually sets a foundation for a lifetime of a healthy smile. Here at PDAO, we really want to make sure that you understand your child's dental health is just as important as their overall health. As we celebrate National Children's Dental Health Month, it is the perfect time to reinforce good oral health care habits at home, as well as go ahead and give our office a call to get those 6-month checkups scheduled. We are always happy to answer any questions that you may have about your children's oral health care, whether it be about brushing, cavities, or even braces. Here at Pediatric Dental Associates and Orthodontics, we can take care of all of those questions for you. All you have to do is give us a call at our office at 479-582-0600, or you can email me directly at amy@smilesarewild.com. We want to thank you guys for always watching and for always being our biggest fans, and we hope you have a wonderful National Children's Dental Health Month.